What's up, brainy bunch? Look at this amazing user interface and let's understand how we can develop it using Tailwind CSS. Sounds fun, right? Here we begin. Let's create an index.html file and add some boilerplate code. Name it component and add a div for the card. Let's save it, copy path and open a new tab. For now it's empty, obviously. Let's add some text and save. We'll have to refresh, obviously. Now let's turn on word wrap and begin the actual code. Let's delete it right now. Next we'll add Tailwind as CDN. Then we'll add a div for the actual card component and add an image tag. We'll add the source for the image and then we'll add an alternate text if the image does not load. Let's save it out and see what we've got. Let's refresh here and we just have an image for now. Let's add a div with the text 01 and then add a heading as well as the paragraph. Now if we refresh the page, we have this, although it's not styled. Let's add all the components first. Then we'll add all the text that is required, the footer section. And we have all the text here. Let's start styling it now. Add a padding of 4 to the card and add some shadow. If I save that out and refresh, you can see the padding in the border here. On hover, I want the shadow to be extra large. Then the image should take the full width of the div. And we have an aspect ratio in Tailwind wherein it sets to 16:9 in case of video. If I save that, you can see here, if I refresh. Okay, so this is 16:9 and will always be 16:9. Let's make the text a little bit bigger and bolder and make the whole footer, the bottom section, description section a grid and give it 4 columns. So this should look weird now after I refresh it. Awesome. Let's make the first part of the footer, the bottom section, span 1 and the remaining part as span 3. So 1:3 will be the ratio of the space taken by them. If I refresh, this is what we have. Next we'll make the text a little bit bigger and the paragraph will be smaller and I'll make the font weight a little bit less. Then I'll change the color of the text for the paragraph. Let's refresh. This is what we have. Then for the footer section, I'll make it flex and justify between so that there's a gap. Basically both are towards the starting and the end of the space they have. I'll make the text extra small and change the color and weight. Let's refresh. Let's add some margin to the actual bottom section, the description section, as well as the footer. And if I refresh, you can see space here and here. Okay, with that, our component is done. Please like and subscribe for more awesome videos like this one. It really helps. Peace.